Hi everyone, it's James. I ordered a Ulanzi GP-4 GoPro magnetic quick release mount. This is what I ordered. Let's check it out. Yeah! But before I open the package, let's look at the product on AliExpress. Ulanzi GP-4 GoPro magnetic quick release mount. I bought it for 1,298 yen, which is about $9.90 US. There are 4 pieces. I bought this Ulanzi tripod. Check out their review. This tripod is excellent, and this must be the quick release. Note, not recommended for extreme sports. Powerful magnet express setup. Adopt strong magnet to achieve express installation. Looks pretty easy. Double interface, multiple installation option. Standard 1/4-inch screw mount and GoPro interface. Quick release between tripod, spelling mistake here, and other accessories in any time. Standard 1/4-inch screw, GoPro interface. The accessory weighs only 55 grams, small and portable, easy to carry. Connecting block, screw, GoPro base, 1/4-inch base. Stripe, anti-slip design. Easy to twist without slip down. This looks great. Let's open the package. Here it is, Ulanzi. I love Ulanzi products. Oh, this thing again. This is, okay, what they mentioned earlier. Lock and unlock. For a 1/4-inch screw. Yeah, this is fixed in good. Here's the screw. And this is for the GoPro. Does this twist off? Yes, it does. Open. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, okay, this is the magnet. Okay, look at the arrows here. Okay, you gotta line this side and this side with this side and this side. It really wants to close. So like this, and then lock it. Not for extreme sports. Okay. Let's get my Ulanzi and GoPro. This is my Ulanzi tripod. Do check out the video that I made about this excellent tripod. Okay, let's just let's take the GoPro off. Let me just remember where the magnet is. I'm going to take this off just to show you guys where the magnet goes. Okay, so I'm going to attach this. I wonder if this piece comes off. I'm not sure if this comes off. I don't think it comes off. I could be wrong. But anyway, I'm going to attach this GoPro base here using the Ulanzi tripod screw. pretty locked in. I'm going to put the magnet on, line it up, and twist. Okay. Remove the screw. I'm going to connect my GoPro. Just like that. Just open this up. Quick release. That means you gotta twist this like this. Okay. I'm looking at the unlocked padlock, so I would turn it right to my right, like this, and that would allow it to come off just like that. And it is quick. And close it. Again, put this in my pocket, put this in my pocket, and then when I want to use it, do this, twist it, and switch on the GoPro. This is excellent. Now, what about this? I do have an adapter for this, but I'm just going to use this regular tripod. I'm going to attach the Ulanzi 1/4" base. This is for the magnet, so this will go in here. Perfect. Then I'm going to remove and just use it up here. Line it up. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. So I can use a regular camera stand tripod, or I can use their fantastic Ulanzi tripod. I love this. Definitely, I'm going to use this and this. Guys, thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting this, I'll put a link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.